Okay, we're going to start with all of the buttons and the gauges, everything that you'll need from the driver's compartment, starting with the glove box up here at the top. You'll open up both sides, flip it up, and explain that it's securely mounted and is in working order, that this is where you'll keep paperwork, your DVR system. Underneath that is your driver's dome. It is not cracked, damaged, broken, or missing any pieces. Then you have your driver's window. It's in 2 parts and in working order. At this point, I don't care which side you choose, just leave one side of it cracked, because when you come to a railroad, you'll try to open up one side or the other, and you're in a limited time. So if you'll leave it cracked, you'll be able to pull it open quicker. And this brings us down here to the buttons. Up here I have my AC switches. This is the front, on. You'll hear it change, low, medium, and high, all in working order. Dash, on, low, medium, high, working order. Rear, on, low, medium, high, all in working order. Then I have my driver's side rear heater. It's in working order. Passenger side heater in working order. This is my driver's side heater and defroster. It's in working order. This is my booster pump. You can see the indicator light is working. This heats the water for the heaters. My heated mirrors. The indicator light is working here. I don't want to leave that on because I don't want to burn up my mirrors. Strobe light. The indicator light works here. It is on top of the bus. We use that in inclement weather. Driver's dome. Indicator light works. It is in working order. Interior lights for the students. The indicator light works here. Looking into my student mirror, I can see that all of them are working. Coming back over here, I have my master switch. I'm going to turn that on, and this indicator light is on and shows that it is working. My master switch now allows me to be able to use my loading and unloading lights. If this is not on, I am not able to activate my loading and unloading lights. In order to load those, or activate those, excuse me, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn on my amber flashers. My indicator light is working here, and then to change that over to the red loading and my stop signs deploying, I'm going to open the door. Looking in my mirror, my stop signs deployed. All of my lights are in working order. My indicator light is here. I'm gonna shut my door. And that turns everything off until I am ready to turn on my amber warning lights again. Excuse me. If I do not have this master switch on, when I open my door, you'll see that nothing outside changes. I'm just able to open my door. When I activate this master switch, this does activate my No Child Left Behind, so make sure that you know how to deactivate your No Child Left Behind. This here is my override. Closing my door. This allows me to deploy my stop sign without opening my door. This I use if I'm at a stop that has high traffic, for me to be able to stop traffic before I open my door. This allows the students to stay inside longer and safer until traffic comes to a stop. Turning that off, that sends my stop signs back in. Then I'm going to come up here, and this is for my fan. My fan is in working order, and my fan rotates 360 degrees around. Just leave that right there for a second. But this button here is my noise suppression button. We use this for railroads, and I'm going to activate that now to show you that it silences everything except for the engine of the bus. So make sure to use this at railroad crossings. Then you have your circulation switch, your driver or defrost switch, your temperature control switch. Here you have your knobs for your flat and convex mirrors. The top one is usually the driver, and the bottom one is usually the passenger. You'll flip it to change for the flat and convex, and then change the direction. We'll turn off the fan. I have my two-way radio. It is in working order. Coming over here, I have my sun visor. It is in working order. I have my student mirror, and it is in working order. Securely mounted, not cracked, damaged, broken, or missing any pieces. Not broken or missing any pieces, and securely mounted. Turn the fan back around.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Then coming over here to the gauges, I have my transmission at about 120. My oil pressure is just below 20. My water temperature is about 190. I am idling right now at about 750 RPMs. I am at 0 right now on my speedometer because I am not traveling. My battery voltage is reading about 14.4. I'm at a half a tank of fuel. My air tanks for air tank 1 is reading 120, and air tank 2 is just over 120. My mileage, that's not going to show you very well. Let's see what I can do. And then over here in this corner right here, it tells you the indicators for the gear shifter, and it says that I'm in neutral, and I am in neutral, so they're communicating. Over here, I have my turn signal down to the left. Looking here, my indicator works. Looking in the crossover mirror, maybe. Yeah, you can kind of see that it's working. Up is to the right. My indicator's working. You can kind of see that it's working in the crossover mirror. Bringing it back down, pushing this in, the windshield washer fluid works, the windshield wipers are working. On the top of it is my four-way flashers. You can see that the indicators are working. Turning that back off. Right down here, you'll see I have my LMP button. This is my light check button. All of my lights are now working on the outside for me to be able to do my pre-trip. And you can see that all of them are working on the dash as well. Then this is my headlights. The center of it is for parking. And then the top part is for my headlights. Then I have my dash dimmer. Pulling this toggle forward is for my high beams. Pulling it forward again turns my high beams off. Turning those off so I don't forget. On this side, I have my economy switch, my parking brake and my gear shifter, and my cruise control switches. I have my stereo that's in working order, and my PA system. This is in working order. Testing, testing. Wait, he has it turned down. Testing, testing. It is working. Turn the stereo back off. And then that completes those things. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to tell me that your horn is working. All right. Thank you for watching.